So next combination is a parallel combination of resistors. So when the resistors are said to be connected in series, only when the resistors are connected end to end. But when the resistors are said to be connected in parallel, only when the left ends of the resistors connected to one terminal of the battery and the right ends of the resistors connected to another terminal of the battery. Parallel combination. Parallel combination of resistors. And also it is called parallel combination of resistances. See here, if there are three resistors, let us take, this is first resistor, this is second resistor, and this is third resistor. Then this is the left end of the first resistor, this is the left end of the second resistor, and this is the left end of the third resistor. And these three left ends are connected to one terminal of the battery. One terminal means I will take positive terminal of the battery. Now the left ends of the three resistors are connected to one terminal of the battery, that is positive terminal of the battery. And this is right end of the first resistor, this is right end of the second resistor, and this is right end of the third resistor. Now the right ends of these three resistors are connected to negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. Now so this is called parallel combination. This combination ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು? Parallel combination. Resistance of the first resistor can be taken as R1, resistance of second resistor R2, and resistance of the third resistor can be taken as R3. Then the current drawn from the cell or the current drawn from the battery, that can be taken as I. So whenever the current enters here, this current can be divided into three parts because there are three branches are there. What test branch adavri illi? More branch adu, because how many resistors are there? Three resistors are there. Okay, so current through the first resistor I1, current through the second resistor I2, and current through the third resistor, that can be taken as I3. Okay, now but potential difference across each resistor is same, because left end of the first resistor and right end of the first resistor connected to positive terminal and negative terminal. Then left end of the second resistor and right end of the second resistor connected to positive and negative terminal, and left end of the third resistor and right end of the third resistor connected to positive and negative terminal. Means here left and right end of the each resistor connected to the positive and negative terminal of the battery. Hence the potential difference across each resistor is same. So series combination ದಾಗ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ರೀ? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಈಚ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್? ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಈಚ್ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ is same. So supposed to be the applied potential difference across the combination is V, then potential difference across each resistor is also V. But what divides here? Current divides, because there are three different branches, means the resistors are connected in parallel. Okay, branches parallel agadav andre current enagutte illi divide akonta hogutte. Current flowing through the first resistor I1, current flowing through the second resistor I2, current flowing through the third resistor is I3. Means I can be divided into how many parts here? Three parts, I1, I2 and I3. And these three currents will be meet here. And again we are going to add these three currents at this point, then we will get again the total current. That total current is equal to I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 plus I2 plus I3. So this is the circuit diagram for the parallel combination of how many resistors? Three resistors. One thing remember, in series combination what is same? Current is same, but potential divides across each resistor. But in parallel combination, potential difference across each resistor is same, but what divides here? Current divides through each resistor. Andre prati resistor naga current enagutte illi divide akonta hogutte. Okay, now I think you will define the parallel combination of resistors. How to define the parallel combination of resistors? registers are said to be connected in parallel if left ends of the resistors are connected to one terminal of the battery and the right ends of the resistors are connected to another terminal of the battery. Resistors parallelly connect ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿದು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್. Then see here, R1, R2 and R3 are the resistances of three resistors. So consider R1, R2 and R3 are the resistances of three resistors connected in parallel as shown in the figure. And one more, the potential difference across each resistor same in the parallel combination. In parallel combination, PD across each resistor is same. Each resistor is same. But current divides through each resistor. Current divides through each resistor. Say, suppose to be 6 volt is applied across the combination. Then what is the potential difference across R1? 6 volt. Potential difference across R2? 6 volt. And potential drop across R3 is also, that is 6 volt. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ತ್ರೀ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್. Now the total current flowing in the combination is, so which combination given here? Parallel combination. The total current in the combination is, total current in the combination is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now let us take it is equation number 1. So what we have to derive now? We have to derive the total resistance of these three resistors connected in parallel. ಈ ಮೂರು ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ Ohm's law, current through first resistor means current through R1. So what is Ohm's law? V is equal to I into R, but what we need? Current, that is I is equal to V by R. So now let us write, it is I1 is equal to V by R1. I1 is equal to V by R1. And next one, current through second resistor means current through R2. That is I2 is equal to V by R2. And similarly current through third resistor, that is I3 is equal to V by R3. So I3 is equal to V by R3. Now, so let us put these three values in the equation number 1. Equation 1 becomes I is equal to I1 is, what about I1? I1 is nothing but V by R1 plus I2 is V by R2 plus I3 is V by R3. Then what is same here? Potential difference is same across the each resistor, but current divides. And current flowing through each resistor, that depends on its resistance value. Okay. Now what is common here? V is common, then 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now this is I is equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, that gives the total resistance of the three resistors connected in parallel. That can be written as V by RP or I is equal to V into 1 by RP. Then where 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. ಈಗ ರೀ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? I is equal to V by R ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ? 1 by RP ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So what is RP here? RP is the equivalent resistance of three resistors connected in parallel. RP andre enri idu? Equivalent resistance of three resistors connected in parallel. And what is the expression for the equivalent resistance of three resistors connected in parallel? That is 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Means the reciprocal of equivalent resistance in parallel combination is equal to the sum of reciprocals of individual resistances. So this is the expression for the equivalent resistance in parallel combination, where RP is equal to where RP is the equivalent resistance of three resistors in parallel. Okay, and the reciprocal of equivalent resistance of parallel combination is equal to the sum of reciprocals of individual resistances. Reciprocal andre enri 1 by RP. Then 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is all about the derivation of equivalent resistance in which combination? Parallel combination.